everyone, welcome to Code Crafters TV. I'm Lisa, your tutor for this course, and today we're kicking off our brand new DevOps series, a practical DevOps roadmap for 2025. Rocket! If you've ever wondered how to become a DevOps engineer, where to start, what to learn next, and how all the tools fit together, this roadmap is made just for you. Before diving into automation and cloud, you need a solid foundation. Start with Linux. Learn shell scripting, process management, and system administration. Then move to networking. Understand IPs, DNS, load balancers, and how systems communicate. And finally, learn programming. Python or Bash are perfect for writing automation scripts. These skills will make you comfortable in any DevOps environment. Next up, version control. Master Git basics like commits, branches, and merging. Then explore GitOps, which helps automate workflows. You'll use platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket to manage your code and collaborate with teams. Once your code is versioned, it's time to automate delivery. Learn CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI/CD. Then move to cloud CI/CD platforms like AWS Code Pipeline or Azure DevOps. Remember, automation is key. The goal is to test, build, and deploy your code continuously without manual steps. Modern DevOps revolves around containers. Start with Docker. Understand containers, images, and Docker Compose. Then learn Kubernetes, pods, services, deployments, and scaling. And don't forget security. Tools like Falco can protect your container environments. Infrastructure as code lets you automate infrastructure setup. Learn Terraform for provisioning cloud resources, and Ansible for configuration management. Explore AWS CloudFormation and Azure ARM templates for platform-specific deployments. Next, dive deep into the cloud. Get hands-on with major providers, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Learn essentials like IAM, EC2, S3, and VPCs. Then explore serverless technologies such as AWS Lambda and Cloud Functions, the future of lightweight deployments. Security is everyone's responsibility. Understand IAM policies, secure your containers with tools like Trivy and SNYK, and learn about the OWASP Top 10 and supply chain security to safeguard your DevOps pipelines. Once your systems are live, you must monitor them. Learn how to collect metrics with Prometheus and visualize them using Grafana. Centralize logs with the Yelk stack, and trace requests across microservices with OpenTelemetry. Finally, become production-ready with SRE practices. Understand SLIs, SLOs, and SLAs to measure system reliability. Master incident response and postmortems. And explore chaos engineering tools like Gremlin and Litmus Chaos to test system resilience. That's your complete DevOps learning roadmap for 2025, step by step, skill by skill. In this series, we'll go deep into each section with practical demos, projects, and interview insights. So, if you want to become a job-ready DevOps engineer, backhand index pointing right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'm Lisa from Code Crafters TV, and this is your first step into the world of DevOps mastery.